Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today I'll show you how to quickly select all items in a folder or document using a shortcut. Whether you're working with files or text, this trick will save you time. Let's get started. Shortcut to select all items. To instantly select everything in a folder or document, press CTRL A. This works in multiple places. In File Explorer, it selects all files and folders. In a document or text editor, it highlights all the text. In a web page or form, it selects everything in an input field. Why use this shortcut? Makes copying, moving, or deleting files easier. Helps when formatting text in a document. Saves time compared to clicking and dragging manually. And that's how you quickly select everything with a simple shortcut. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips. See you in the next one.